Hi, I'm Sandro. Have you ever wanted the best steak dinner of your life? Well, you're in luck. I'm going to show you how to make the best steak dinner ever. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 1/2 inch thick cut of prime ribeye steak, 1 stick of European salted butter, kosher salt to taste, freshly ground coarse black pepper to taste, and 1/4 cup of freshly chopped Italian parsley. Now for the kitchen items you will need. A 12-inch cast iron pan, 14 1/2 inch stainless steel basting spoon, and an 11 1/2 inch metal tongs. Before you do any of this, wash your hands. You need to salt the steak. You should probably salt it very generously since it's so thick. A lot of the salt will come off once you're flipping the steak. Now you want to do the same thing with the pepper. Now we do the same thing to the other side. Always try to move around when you're salting the steak so not one side is more salted than the other. This is to help make the steak evenly salted and peppered. Now that we've set the steak in the pan, we let it cook for 4 1/2 minutes to make it rare, and we cook it on both sides. Now we're gonna flip the steak. Now we turn off the gas and move the steak to the side to put the butter in. The butter helps the steak turn a beautiful golden brown. You might notice that the butter's brown. That gives it a nice nutty flavor. Now that we've finished cooking our steak, let's review our steps. We cooked the steak, basted it in butter, and the smoke alarm went off. Now let's cut into this beauty. Now every good chef doesn't use a fork because that loses the juices. We want to use our hands. Now that we've finished cooking this amazing steak dinner, let's dig in, man. A meal like this deserves a dinner jacket. I usually like my steaks with potatoes and asparagus, but Riley's mac and cheese is just as good. A steak like this also pairs very well with a red Zinfandel. Maybe when I'm older? Man, I've been waiting to dig into this for a while. It was worth it.